వెబ్ఎక్స్ గురించి మనం క్యూబర్నెటీస్ యూజ్ చేస్తున్నాం. సారీ, క్యూబర్నెటీస్ యూజ్ చేస్తున్నాం. ఈ క్యూబర్నెటీస్లో కూడా మనం మాన్యువల్గా చేసాం ఫస్ట్.
అవును,
క్లస్టర్ క్రియేషన్ మాన్యువల్గా చేసాం. నిన్న కాదు, ఫస్ట్లో పాడ్ క్రియేషన్, క్లస్టర్ క్రియేషన్, నోడ్స్.
ఓకే, కరెక్ట్.
మాన్యువల్గా చేసినంత బాగానే ఉంటుంది. ప్రతిదానికి ఆటోమేషన్ వచ్చిన తర్వాత మనకి కొంచెం డిఫికల్ట్ అయిందంటున్నారు కదా. ఈరోజు ఏం
అవును.
చేస్తారంటే ఓన్లీ కమాండ్ టు కమాండ్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తా. అసలు ఈ కమాండ్ ఎందుకు యూజ్ చేస్తున్నావు, నెక్స్ట్ కమాండ్ ఎందుకు యూజ్ చేస్తున్నావు, నెక్స్ట్ కమాండ్ ఎందుకు యూజ్ చేస్తున్నావు. షుగర్లెస్.
ఓకే, అలా చెప్పండి ఈరోజు.
అప్పుడు నీకు ఏంటంటే అసలు కమాండ్స్ ఎందుకు యూజ్ చేస్తున్నావు ఫస్ట్ అర్థమవుతే మన ప్రాసెస్ అర్థమవుతుంది.
ఓకే వెంకట్.
ఓకే, అప్పుడు ప్రాసెస్ మన కమాండ్స్ ఈజీ అయిపోయినాయి అనుకో. ఆల్రెడీ మనకు క్యూబర్నెటీస్ ఎందుకు యూజ్ చేస్తున్నా ఒక ఐడియా వచ్చిందిగా. నెక్స్ట్ మనం కమాండ్స్ ఎందుకు యూజ్ చేస్తున్నామో తెలిసిందనుకో, అలా కమాండ్ ఏంటి అని చెప్పేసి మ్యాక్సిమం అర్థం అయిపోతుంది, కొంచెం ఈజీ చేయొచ్చు. ఓకే, ఒక సర్వర్ క్రియేట్ చేస్తున్నాను. హాయ్ ప్రియాంక, గుడ్ మార్నింగ్. జస్ట్ ఐ క్రియేటెడ్ వన్ సర్వర్. మహేంద్ర మీరు చేస్తారైతే మీరు చేస్తారని చెప్పనా.
సారీ వెంకట్,
మీరు చేస్తారా, షేర్ చేసి నేను చెప్పనా అంటున్నా.
మీరు చెప్పండి వెంకట్.
ఓకే, మీరు చేస్తారంటే మరి మీకు ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను ఒకటి స్టెప్ బై స్టెప్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను. మీరు చేస్తామంటే మీకు ఒక ఐడియా వస్తుంది.
చేయండి.
ఓకే, ప్రియాంక.
Yes, Venkat.
Tell me what you want.
What happened? What you guys were talking?
I asked to do today class Katakam.
Okay. Then
He is saying okay, you continue next time. So I lost my bet.
okay.
Then tell me what you want.
We'll tell you. When are you coming to Bangalore?
Actually, one of my friend is there. Actually, today I plan to come, but I am not coming. I am going to hometown today. Next month I will plan to come.
Okay.
Katakam. We'll go to Bangalore.
When?
Next month or the next month, max next month ending, like that.
Any planned vacation or any special?
We'll go to Ooty. Priyanka is there. Priyanka have car.
Okay.
So what you go with my car directly to Ooty? Yeah, come, please come.
I will come with my girlfriend. Katakam will come with
Wife.
Wife.
We 6 and your kid. All your car sitting 5 sitting.
5-seater, right?
It is enough, na?
I'll buy new for you. For you guys, I will buy the 7-seater one. Okay.
Wow.
Maruti XL6, Venkat.
Hmm.
Hmm? Hmm.
No, this one XUV 700.
Wow.
700. Okay. 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 You are planning to buy any car,
Yeah,
Venkat?
but not now.
Which one?
But not now. First time in my hometown, I'm planning to build one house. Then after I will plan.
Hmm. So even when we came, no, we first bought at home only, and then recently, like when my daughter born, no, then only it was very difficult to travel. So that's why
Your
we
car is
start
a
we
Nexon.
next one.
Yeah, I saw the.
Actually, we wanted to buy Mahindra.
Hmm.
Okay, so in 2021, yeah, 2021 we were planning. 22, the Mahindra was like 300. It was there, right?
Hmm.
300. What was that name? So the new
XUV
one has
300.
come, no? Mahindra. Uh,
XUV.
the Exo has
XO.
come,
Okay,
no?
okay.
300. It's very nice.
Uh,
Mahindra. And it is a budget also in 13, 14 lakh. It has come. So
okay.
when we gone, Tata was the best. Actually, I wanted to take
Hmm.
Mahindra, but it was going 17 lakh.
Tata
So we
also,
were
sorry,
thinking that.
Mahindra also good.
Uh,
Mahindra, I like.
Tata
700,
Nexon
I
also
like.
very well, Venkat. We
Hmm.
have one car Nexon. Mileage also good.
Um,
Which one?
Uh,
Mahindra?
Nexon. No, Nexon
Nexon
Tata.
ka. You will travel on the road. No, you on the left you'll see Nexon. Right on you, Nexon. Front, back, everywhere you'll see Nexon. Nexon. Many people drive Nexon, but I
actually,
like Mahindra. If I
actually,
have money now, I'll buy Mahindra only.
I know driving all cars and a tractor.
That is a good skill.
Hmm.
Everyone should learn this.
Car, tractor, auto, lorry, bus, anything.
Wow,
Multi-driver. Venkat, you are multi-driver.
nice. In your village, you might be running those
Actually,
things, right?
in earlier days, my childhood, we have my family have AC stone
Tractor.
tractor. So
Mm.
in that time, yes, it's 1 year, right? Daily we are taking JSON, right? Output format. Today I'm giving table
Mm.
format. Anything it is fine. JSON or table it will take.
You will be sharing a screen, or I have to?
Okay. I didn't share.
Here.
I recorded started.
Okay.
You are sharing. Already started. I created a group. Where it is. Right. So I did visible.
Yes, Venkat.
After update, I configure after CLI installed. AWS configure US East 1 table format I given. Daily we are giving JSON format, right? Today I gave table format here. Table or JSON is going to install here. And first what I am doing today, I am going to explain each and every command here. First thing, kubectl. Kubectl we are installing, right? See here, first we did the kubectl for minikube and kubeadm, right? In there we used kubectl for the command line. Same here also for cops. Without kubectl it won't work. Because of cops also we are using the kubectl commands here. I mean cops is nothing but kops. Kops is nothing but Kubernetes operations. In that Kubernetes operations we are using the kubectl, the kops Kubernetes operations here. So in this one, so in here kubectl is going to run the commands in the kops, right? kubectl is going to run the Kubernetes commands in the kops. Kops is a multi-node cluster. In the multi-node cluster, if you want run at a time 10 to 12 application in the kops, it is easy to run here. See, kops, kops short for Kubernetes operation is a open source command line tool designed by the simple development manager and upgrading of production grade Kubernetes cluster. It of course on automating the creation and maintenance of highly available Kubernetes infrastructure across various cloud providers including AWS, DigitalOcean and OpenStack. DigitalOcean is nothing but a cloud here. I think you didn't hear this DigitalOcean. This is one of the cloud and OpenStack is a cloud, and we don't know AWS, GCP and Azure, Alibaba cloud. You know some I think you know this famous clouds, but DigitalOcean also one of the cloud and
Alibaba
OpenStack.
is not for India, right?
It is not for
It's for
India.
China.
It
Okay.
is in China.
China.
And there are maintaining separate cloud. They are not using outside clouds.
Mhm.
And you heard IBM also separate cloud. I
Okay, IBM is maintaining their own
their
cloud.
own cloud.
So
They
IBM is selling those cloud like AWS.
they are clouding. They are selling outside also, but they are using the
Okay.
their cloud only. They are not using AWS or Azure or GCP or somewhat clouds. They are not
Okay.
using.
Like how Apple is using their own cloud,
Right.
right?
Okay. Mainly
Mm.
GCP also they are using GCP cloud only. And essentially kops acts as a kubectl for cluster. This is the point we are installing that command, right? Kubectl. Essentially kops acts as a kubectl for cluster. Understand now why we are installing kubectl in kops? Providing a streamlined way to manage the kubectl environment from the command line. In the command line,
So,
kubectl we are using for kops.
okay.
Okay.
So for pod, we will be using kubectl, but for cluster, we have to use kops,
No,
right?
not like that. This is the command line. Kubectl is the command line. Okay,
Mm,
for using this command, this commands kubectl commands, we are setting the cops, pods and all.
mm,
But cluster is creating in the kops only. Kops is nothing but Kubernetes, right? Some advanced
Kubernetes operation.
multi-node cluster.
Mm,
So in there
okay.
we are using this command line, like command we are using the kubectl for the cluster, and nodes also creating, pods also creating, application we are creating, containers we are creating in the KOps, Kubernetes service. I mean Kubernetes operations. Only kubectl is the only
Okay.
command only, simply. Okay, I am running this one now.
How to remember all this command, Venkat?
Don't remember and don't by heart anything. If you'll go
Mm,
KOps installation in Ubuntu server, they will give each and every point here. See what we are going to install the cops here. This is the KOps, and moving to user bin cops
in the
KOps
interview,
version.
they will not ask
They
question
will not
based
ask.
on command.
They will ask the version, which version is going now, and why we are using the kubectl. Okay, for maintaining the Kubernetes application through the CLI, we are using kubectl, and install kubectl in Ubuntu server. Sorry, this is Linux. So see what we are installing now, that is the kubectl command. Both are same, right?
Mm,
This one, the Linux server, this is the 64-bit. We are not using ChatGPT here, right?
mm,
We are using the
yes.
official documents
Official.
who given by the Kubernetes here. Able to use, not a problem. In company also will, organization also will use, not a problem. See, kubectl is installed, right? I mean,
Yes.
we are taking the kubectl from internet. And next point, we are going to install the kops here. Kops we are installing here. See, ls, now both two are there. One is kubectl and another one is kops. Now this command is going to give the permission. See now, kops and kubectl as read and write, read permissions. Now we are giving execution permission also. Both two are we are giving the execution permission. Without giving executive permission, it will not execute. That's why we are giving executive permission for the two files. One is kops, one is kubectl. Now next one is we are moving to user bin, user local bin. Why we are using going, we are storing the user local bin here? The kubectl, I am going to create the kubectl only, and I am storing to user bin user local bin. Here in the root path, it will not directly access the kubectl and kops. By the root user, we are unable to access our kubectl and kops. That's why I am moving here to user local bin. And next what I did, kops linux AMD 64. I am
We are
moving
moving again.
user,
That
and
cop.
that too I am changing the file name also here. I am changing the file name to kops.
Hmm.
Okay, so if we'll check,
CD user col-
right,
Hmm. Hmm.
the two are changed, permissions also changed.
Yes.
Next point, now we are creating in US East 1 region one bucket. Why we are creating bucket here? Because
For
of
storage, we want.
uh, for storage we are going to create one bucket here. The cluster is going to store in the bucket. That's why we are
But
using
your reason is not the same, right? What you have selected
not
in
same
the
reason,
server.
not same reason.
Hmm.
We are using, yeah, same reason we are using. If you want to change different reason
US
also fine.
state.
So I am using the
Hmm.
US East one. So go to the S3 here. Just we created one bucket, right? See, bucket is created. So create bucket. The location is bucket name here. See, just now 123 Venkat 123 bucket is created. If you check inside,
Hmm.
nothing is there, right?
Yes.
Now what I am doing, AWS, I am giving bucket versioning here. You remember while creating our S3 bucket manually, we enabled version, right?
Yes.
Same I am giving the version enabling here, it is enabled. While manually created the bucket version enabled, one pop-up is there that we used to enable there. Before exporting the corpse bucket, we'll do vim bash rc here. Why we are using the vim bash here? Suppose I am giving the root for the kops here. I want to store somewhere the kops. That's why I am using the kops root here. Path user local bin. The kops don't know where the cops and sorry, where the kops is there, where is located, they don't know. That's why we are going to give the file, it is going to locate the kops to run. When we are using the commands here to run execute, the user local bin is, they don't know, kops don't know. So we are giving the path here to relocate there, right? Suppose I'm in Bangalore now, I want to go to somewhere or otherwise your home here. I don't know Bangalore, nothing here. Okay, first time I visited to Bangalore, I don't know nothing. So when I get 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 in into the sorry when I came to the railway station, I asked the address for you. So you said somewhere. How I will come there? I don't know nothing there. So I am using the Google Maps. Same here also. We are giving the Google Maps to KOps. through the Google Maps. I will my work is easy, right, to come to your home. Same here also, I are giving the path to know where the kops is located, kops file is located. So that's why we are giving the path here to understand the so urc source bash rc, right. We executed that one also. Vim we are giving the source, then after we executed that one. Now if we'll export the kops into our bucket, we are exporting kops into bucket here. Then now we are going to create cluster. T2 medium fine, T2 large. I am giving Venkat cluster here. I am changing the AMI ID also. If you want to change AMI ID here, otherwise after creation also one option is there to change AMI ID. You know where it is AMI ID. AMI, go to the AMI catalog. Here AMIs are there. I am taking Ubuntu AMI ID here. So this is the Ubuntu. I am taking this one. So I am taking new AMI ID here, right. Otherwise already we created EC2 instance, right. If you want to take this AMI ID, it is also fine. This is the AMI ID, this is also fine. We'll take this one also fine. Okay, I'm going to take this one now. Anything, if you want to go and take the by AMI ID from AMI catalog or here also fine.
Location we have taken AP South, 1 East. 1
Okay, where it is?
in your
Yeah,
previous one.
here. I didn't change this
And
one.
image is raw. Image is telling
US East 1.
East 1.
Okay, now cluster is existed. Now kops get cluster. Venkat cluster is created. Now we'll update the cluster now. AMI ID, it is going to change because of the cluster is created in a different region, right. Now what we'll do, we'll change this one. Give me a second. uh, Export the cluster. I am planning to delete in another region cluster, and I am going to create one new cluster with this, where we set up that in that region. So I am deleting this cluster. Again we'll create one cluster in our region, because of it is changed AMI, right? Now US East one, and okay, I am going to change the cluster name one here. Region recognized EC2 East 1A. KOps get
cluster.
cluster. So my
Hmm.
get cluster one created, right, without getting any error.
Yes.
Okay. Now
One time can you run history command?
which one? History.
History.
Want a screenshot?
No. No, scroll up little bit.
Yeah.
From 6 it is showing. Yeah, one update. Only APT update why you have done, Venkat,
I'm sa-
not the other.
I'm updating the server here. Here
Mhm.
I took Ubuntu server, right? APT only work here.
Right. No, no, I'm saying that there is a APT update, upgrade,
Upgrade
those
also.
commands were
See,
also.
here
Uh,
it is enough, means update is enough for Ubuntu server, so I didn't take the upgrade command here.
okay.
Okay.
So update is fine, and after that we have to put like configure, and
If you'll give
then
the
AWS.
configure there, in that
Mm,
configure, this will command will visible here. So take that
mm,
command. Then after install that CLI. If you want to install, if you know the direct command, if you install directly. Otherwise, if you give the AWS configure, it will show the
mm,
CLI command. Then after, again we'll give the AWS configure, that configure the AWS. Then each by step.
mm.
Okay.
Okay, got it. Yeah.
Now updating cluster, what we created that cluster. It will take some couple of minutes. Here Abhishek Veerapalla,
No, I don't know.
He will give good projects in the DevOps. Daily he will upload some projects in not daily some he already upload some projects here. I checked the project, it is very good. Three-tier project I gave to you like a task, right? Interviews guide, HTMLS project. He have YouTube channel. He will give somewhat good projects here. See, Ultimate DevOps projects AWS. Those are the projects. If we'll go through one by one, they will explain the projects. Okay. And where it is, still it is updating, it will take somewhat 5 to 6 minutes.
Katikam, you go to office daily. 80% is maintainer.
No, Priyanka, I don't have variable pay.
Variable pay you got yesterday.
See,
I got 5,000 only.
Hey,
Last time I
5,000
maintained,
is.
yeah, last time I maintained 67% only.
Hmm.
Attendance. It's depend on
No, no,
attendance.
they are giving 3,000 maximum to everyone if they are maintaining 80%.
yeah, hello.
Yeah,
So,
if you
Anush,
Priyanka, you maintain 80, above 80 percentage or 80 percentage, they will pay 100% of variable pay.
hmm,
Otherwise, 70 to 60 to 80 percentage, they will pay 70% of the variable pay.
that I know. So
Uh,
you got 5,000, huh?
yeah, last, yeah, 5,000 only.
Okay.
Yeah. See here, our cluster is started, it should ready in few minutes. Okay, our cross setup validate sorry update is also completed now. Now I am validating our KOps here. Now I updated the cluster. Now what I am doing, I am validating the KOps here. It is also take some couple of minutes. So what we'll do, can you explain each and everything what we install? here. What I just explained, same thing will remember again. Why we are using the AWS configure here? I'm audible.
To configure,
Yeah,
right? Yeah, we are giving a key, right?
yeah.
So key, the private and the secret key.
Secret key, private key we are using. We are
Mm.
maintaining the AWS through the command line. That's why we are giving the AWS configure the IAM role here. If you want to give the
Yes.
role also fine, or access key secret key also fine. Two ways to access our AWS in the command line. One is the role and one is the secret key and access key through the IAM user. Okay, first command is clear, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Second command, curl. Second command is eighth command.
So, yeah. For version,
No, eighth command is we are getting kubectl from internet. We are getting the wget also fine, curl also fine. So this is the right. XML format does not appear. Some the documentary is shown below. Something is getting error, it is, otherwise it will show here. So here see here curl -lo, we are getting the kubectl into our command line. That means we are taking from the internet the kubectl command from internet here. Next, this command, third command means ninth command.
Connected to server.
Ninth command.
it's taking
We are
from GitHub.
we are taking
Yeah.
from GitHub. What we are taking from GitHub means kops. First we taken kubectl. Now we are taking
Props.
kops here. Kops or kops, anything it is fine.
Props.
Actually kops is a good pronunciation. See, it is downloading the files. Kops is downloading here. When we are giving that command, kops is getting downloading here, right?
So it will
So
directly download the file.
directly downloading the file. By using the file also we are able to install the local. So chmod we are giving the execute permission to the
Permission.
kops and kubectl. And next one is we are moving to the user local build for two files here, and while we are sending only we are changing the file name also here. Next command, 14th command is creating the bucket in the US East 1 region, and the next command is we are enabling the version here, and we are pushing the kops into our bucket. What we have bucket, we are pushing the kops into that bucket. If we'll refresh here, the cluster is settled here, right? If you'll server is crashed, our cluster is still in AWS S3 only. We are able to back up from here, right? Next,
Shankar, this is a different region, correct?
which one? Different,
Bucket.
not different region, same region we are using. US East one we are using. Instance also we created here only. If you want to give the different region also fine. Okay.
Okay.
So creating cluster by using this image. Then after updating the cluster, created by using the image AMI and updated the cluster here. See now how many, see how many nodes here created. 3 nodes here created, sorry 4 nodes here created, and namespace also created here, and nodes also created here. If we'll check, just refresh here, it will show the nodes here. See control pane, node east 1 and nodes are created here. 3 nodes and 1 master is created here, right? 3 nodes here created, 1 control plane is master, rest of the things nodes, and namespace is created, pods are created. If we'll check kubectl get pods -a, the pods is showing here. How many pods is running here? That pods is showing here. Why I will give -a in the cluster, in the we are, if we'll give the kubectl get pods, it is going to take the default one, but we have our custom, sorry, we have our custom cluster here and namespace here. That namespace we are giving one mark is -a, right? Namespace will showing here. Kubectl describe -name sorry, flag mark we given some mistake here. To list out the all pods by using in the kubectl namespace, this is the command here. In the kubectl namespace, to list out all the commands by using kubectl get pod -n cube system in namespace name here. This is the namespace name, right? kubectl get pods -default. We didn't create any default here, we created our cluster here. cluster. Next, kube public, we'll check. We didn't create the kube public here, and will get the pods in the cluster, right? See here, default namespace cube node lays, it will store object within a taken from a namespace to another. Cube public, all public objects will store here. And cube system default Kubernetes will create some objects, those are stored in the namespace here, but we didn't create any default one. Cube public, cube system, and sorry, we created the cube system here, but we didn't create the three default cube node place and cube public here. And if we want to create one namespace is created here. I am going to configure to switch the namespace here to dev. See, this is the command to switch the namespace here. Now modified to our namespace here, and then after configuration to see the current namespace by using this one. Config is going to show the current namespace, right? If we want to change Venkat one, now we are in namespace in Venkat one. Now I am in the dev namespace just we created, right? kubectl config view -minify gerp namespace, we are going to show the current namespace here, and delete the dev here. I am going to dev namespace here. So if you want to delete the namespace dev, you should be in namespace dev. Now check so error found, namespace dev is not found here, right? Now we are in Venkat here. Now if we want to delete all pods, able to delete by this command here. No resources found because of we are in this one where it is different namespace and different cluster here. Which cluster we are using? Cops get cluster. Okay, now understand. Today I hope you guys somewhat clear in this KOps.
Yes,
Yes,
Venkat.
Venkat.
If you I am really giving you KOps. KOps is very difficult, I know, but I am trying to explain somewhat easy for you, because of if anything, any type, any reasons, like any examples will take, it will not understand, but I am trying to see. If you ask anyone in your organization or anywhere, no one will know the KOps. They will sell, I know, Kubedium or Minikube. Maximum 90% people don't know, sorry, 80% somewhat people don't know KOps. They know Kubedium and Minikube. If you know the KOps, Kubedium is easy for you, Minikube is easy for you. This is one of the big chapter in Kubernetes. KOps is one of the big one. Ask someone, you know, KOps or not. If they say yes also, they don't know this much. At a time, how many is created here? pods created here, namespace created here, and nodes created here, instance groups created here. See, if we'll check our instance at a time, how many instances created? 4 instances created here, right? Instead of our server, 4 instances created. One is control plane is master, another one is nodes created, worker nodes is created here. Mainly control plane is the master here, nodes is the nodes, worker nodes here, and control plane it will take more instance type here for CPU and GB. Nodes where they are going take T2 medium for 2 CPE, 4 GB memory. Understand if you have any doubts or over the class today. Compared to